Hello fellas, this is MG and this is my new motorcycle review. Actually it's a new used motorcycle review. This is my 2001 VFR800 Honda, of course. I chose the 5th generation Honda because it doesn't have the chain driven cams. It's a gear driven cam system, which is much easier to maintain and there's much less work with it because you don't have the tensioners and all that kind of stuff. It's practically stock. I'm pretty sure they just used a little bit better air filter for it, and you can't really tell, but it does have 45,236 kilometers. I'm unsure whether the previous owner or the one before the last owner did the valves, so that will have to be done in the off season. Bike came with a butt cap, which I put on right off the bat because I'm in no mood to be really taking on seconds. I'm still getting used to the bike quite a bit. It's much different from my CBR600. It's heavier, but it does have torque coming out of a demon hole, which I love. Front Maxxis Max tires. Rear has a Pilot Power 2s. I know it's recommended to use the same brand and type of tires on front and back, but that's what it came with, and they still have a lot of meat on them, so I'll keep them until they're done. It's got a little crack here, which seems to be my karma because my other bike had that as well, so I think it just kind of, I'm stuck with bikes with a crack right around here. It's got upgraded light bulbs, which have that nice bluish tinge. And yeah, so far it's been nothing but fun riding. I've done the last 1,000 kilometers or close to it. Did the oil change a few days ago, and as always I use Motul Ester 7100. It's done me well in my last 2 bikes, so why change it? It's good oil. It's a little bit on a pricier side at around $17 per quart here in Canada, but you can most likely use the 5000 series Motul as well on more general riding styles. I just use it in this one because I like Motul. I like the 7100. It works great. And here's a little sound clip for all you. And yes, it is injected, finally. I had a little idling issue with it. It was idling at around 2000 RPM. But there was a little hole right here. Take that off, you put in a Phillips screwdriver and you can adjust the idle. So that's it. So that's the beast, and hope to see your comments down below, and ride safe guys. Keep the rubber down.